Question number 1. Blood is classified as which type of tissue? The right option is C. Connective tissue. Question number 2. The liquid portion of blood is called. The right option is B. Plasma. Question number 3. Which of the following is the main function of blood? The right option is B. It transports oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products. Question number 4. Approximately what percentage of blood is plasma? The right option is C. 55%. Question number 5. Which blood component carries oxygen? The right option is C. Red blood cells. Question number 6. The red color of blood is due to. The right option is A. Iron in hemoglobin. Question number 7. Hemoglobin is present in. The right option is C. Red blood cells. Question number 8. Which organ produces most blood cells in adults? The right option is C. Bone marrow. Question number 9. The average lifespan of a red blood cell is. The right option is D. 120 days. Question number 10. Which hormone stimulates red blood cell production? The right option is B. Erythropoietin. Question number 11. Erythropoietin is mainly produced by the which organ? The right option is C. Kidneys. Question number 12. Which blood cells help fight infections? The right option is B. White blood cells. Question number 13. Which blood cells are the most numerous? The right option is A. Red blood cells. Question number 14. Which blood component is responsible for clotting? The right option is C. Platelets. Question number 15. Which plasma protein is mainly responsible for blood clotting? The right option is C. Fibrinogen. Question number 16. Which plasma protein helps maintain osmotic pressure? The right option is A. Albumin. Question number 17. Which plasma proteins mainly function as antibodies? The right option is B. Globulins. Question number 18. Serum is plasma without. The right option is C. Clotting factors. Question number 19. Which white blood cell is most abundant? The right option is C. Neutrophil. Question number 20. Neutrophils mainly destroy microbes by. The right option is B. Phagocytosis. Question number 21. Which white blood cells produce antibodies? The right option is A. B lymphocytes. Question number 22. Which white blood cells mature in the thymus? The right option is B. T cells. Question number 23. Which white blood cells increase during allergic reactions? The right option is B. Eosinophils. Question number 24. Histamine is mainly released by. The right option is A. Basophils. Question number 25. The largest white blood cells are. The right option is C. Monocytes. Question number 26. Platelets are formed from. The right option is A. Megakaryocytes. Question number 27. Normal blood pH is approximately. The right option is B. 7.4. Question number 28. Which blood group is the universal recipient? The right option is C. AB positive. Question number 29. Which blood group is called the universal donor? The right option is D. O negative. Question number 30. The ABO blood group system depends on. The right option is B. Surface antigens on red blood cells.